If your vehicle is not equipped with four-wheel drive, please see your owner's manual for drive mode information. In addition to standard mode, your vehicle is equipped with Eco, Sport, Tow, Rock, Sand, Mud Rut, and Snow modes. Standard is the default drive mode and will activate automatically when the ignition switch is placed in the on position. To switch modes, turn the drive mode selector right or left. The selected mode is displayed here, and this indicator illuminates. Eco mode increases fuel economy and provides smooth starting. Sport mode gives the driver a feeling of enhanced performance with increased steering response. Tow mode facilitates acceleration and deceleration when towing. Rock mode provides increased vehicle performance on gravel or rocky roads. Sand mode makes it easier to drive on dunes or sand. Mud Rut mode is for driving in wet or muddy conditions. Snow mode aids in driving on slippery surfaces. When the drive mode is changed from tow to rock or from snow to mud rut, the four-wheel drive system will change from auto to 4-high automatically. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.